Would you like to know how to configure a customized acoustic solution in 5 minutes flat, which is both extremely high quality and visually appealing? Here's how. First, go to our website, SPÄH-da.com, and start our innovative online creator tool. Start your design by entering the individual room dimensions. Then simply determine the size of your acoustic solution and the maximum height of the baffles. Choose between PET felt and Basotect as the material for the baffles. Want even more control? The number of baffles can be specified here. Now it's time to give your new acoustic ceiling the personal touch. To do this, you can choose from a variety of high-quality presets. Or perhaps you'd rather create your own image. No problem. You can even have your own image files and logos converted into ceiling modules. You can also try out and select different colors and accents, or stick with the standard color for the base material. Now there's really only one thing left to do. Kick back and look forward to your new custom acoustic solution made in Germany. Enjoy the silence. SPÄH designed acoustic.